So guys, I ordered the glass 2 weeks ago with Ovoms and it has now arrived. I cannot wait to show you. I've chosen one piece, not two. Let's go and fit it. These are the fixings, guys. They go straight into the steps. Let's get the first one on. So there we go, guys. The glass is now on, everything's screwed in and tight. Now we have the walnut caps that are going to be going on the beautiful staircase. We can then stick it on like so. Easy as that. So guys, that is it for my dream staircase build. I could not be happier thanks to Ovoms UK. I've gone for a walnut finish with an all-in-one glass balustrade and no handrail for elegance. If you want to create your dream staircase, visit ovoms.com and get yours now. Stay tuned to see the whole house complete with a staircase in.